Hello, my name's Ruth Woods from Craft School Oz, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own wax linen thread. Here I have some examples of all these threads here that have not been waxed. These are things that you can actually use to make your own thread. This thread here is waxed linen thread. It's actually very expensive. It's really lovely, but because of its price, sometimes it can make it not a good idea to use. So if you want to do a big project, you might like to make your own. So this is about 38 Australian dollars, and you can buy these smaller reels. This one's linen, some of these are cotton, at a fraction of the price. Like this is $10 and you get a lot more. And these are embroidery threads. Some of them are cotton threads for crochet. So these are all ideal. You can use cotton or linen. You can use acrylic if you wanted to, but I find that the natural fibres work the best. Now where I would use this wax linen thread is when I'm making something like a basket like this, and I've used it in here. So this is thread that I've actually made myself with the wax, and it helps when you're actually stitching. It keeps it in place, and that's why it's actually favourable to use. I've also used it in here. So now I'm just going to show you how to make it. It's very easy. Now the other thing is you can actually have different thicknesses. So they don't have to be one particular thickness. It depends on the project that you're going to make. So this is just this embroidery thickness. So all I'm going to do is take a bar of beeswax, and this beeswax has been bought from a stand that sells honey. So they usually sell beeswax where they sell honey. You might also get it in a health food store as well. So have a look to see where someone might supply honey or beeswax near you. So I've just cut about 80 centimetres from this piece of roll of thread here. This is just cotton thread. And I'm just going to now pull it through the bar of beeswax. So I'm just going to hold my thread on top of here, on top of the bar, and you can see that there's quite a few ridges in there. So what I'm going to do is try and find a ridge that's not too deep, because it's important that you cover the thread with the wax. So I'm just going to, so you can see how it's gripping there, and then I'm going to pull it all the way through, making sure that it touches the wax. And I'm going to do that 2 or 3 times. Make sure it gets right to the end of the thread. So I've turned it around so that both ends will get the wax on it. So that's the 3rd time. So now the wax is fully coated and it's nice and sticky, so it's good to use. So that you can use this for numerous different things, for bookbinding, for stitching a basket like this, so it makes it nice, it makes it stick together when you're pulling your threads through. And you can use it for sculptural basketry too, for attaching branches together or sticks together. So it's a nice tip to be able to use wax using this, and it saves you a lot of money. It also gives you access to more colours and more textures and more thicknesses than what you would get with just the normal wax linen thread that you can buy. And I do this all the time. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these kind of videos. We also have online workshops that you might be interested in on various craft topics, so check out our website craftschooloz.com.